Hello everyone, in today's question we have to find the value of x, where the question is x power 2x over power 6 is equals to 3. Now we have two x's, one in the base section and one is the power section. So for that I am supposing and saying that let a is equals to x over 6, which is in the power section. I have x over 6. By using the same equation, I can substitute the value of x by changing its power. If I will multiply by 1 upon 6 on both hands, so I will get the value of x as well as. So the value of x will be a's power 1 upon 6. So I have both values by using the same condition, which is a is equals to x over 6, x power 6. Now what we have to do, we just have to substitute the values into the given equation, which is x power 2x over 6 is equals to 3. In place of x I have to write, so I am writing a's power 1 upon 6 multiply by 2, which is the original power of x, and in place of x over 6 I have to write a equals to 3, where 2 and 6 will be cancelled out because both are the multiples of 2. So I have remaining a's power a upon 3 is equals to 3. So if I will compare by base and power by power, so it will be like a is equals to 3, which are the bases, and in the power I have a upon 3 is equals to power 1, which is also equate as that a is equals to 3. So I have in both conditions a is equals to 3, but we know that where x is equals to a's power 1 upon 6, so x is equals to 3's power 1 upon 6. So over here whatever we have to substitute x in place of 3 1 upon 6 in place of x. The original equation is x 2x6 is equals to 3. By placing this 3 1 upon 6 in place of x, in place of x I am writing 3 power 1 upon 6. 2 is its original power. Now in place of x again I have to write 3, and over its power will be 1 upon 6, and then we have the power of x will be 6, so it will be multiplied by the over power. 6 cancel out by 6, 2 and 6 is also cancel out, so what I have remaining 3's power 1 upon 3, and this 3, which is the whole power, is equals to 3. 3 cancel out by 3 and I have 3 is equals to 3. So we can say that x is equals to 3's power 1 upon 6. Take care. Bye bye.